Hey everyone, welcome back to Let's Learn English with Obi. Today we have something really useful for all English beginners. We are going to look at 50 simple daily English sentences that you can start using right away. Learning new language can feel difficult, but this common sentence will help you gain confidence and speak more easily in daily life. We will divide them into 10 small groups with 5 examples each. Explain how to use them, and by the end, you will have a strong base for your English journey. So grab your notebook, follow along, and let's get started. Group 1. Basic greetings and introductions. Hello, this is the most universal greeting. You can use it with anyone, friends, teachers, strangers, or colleagues. It works in both formal and informal situations. For example, hello, I'm Avi, nice to meet you. Number 2, hi. A shorter, more casual version of hello. People usually use it with friends, classmates, or people close to their age. For example, hi, how are you today? Number 3, good morning. Used from early morning until about 12 pm. It is polite, friendly. You can say it at school, at home, or at workplace. For example, good morning, sir. How are your weekend? Number 4, good afternoon. Used from 12 pm to around 5 pm. It sounds polite and respectful, especially in formal situations. For example, good afternoon, everyone. Let's begin our meeting. Number 5, good evening. Used after 5 pm or when the sun starts to set. It is also used at the beginning of the conversation, not at the end. For example, good evening, ma'am. I'm here for my appointment. Once you have said hello, the next natural step is to ask someone is doing. This expression helps you to continue the conversation politely and show that you care about the other person. They are useful in both casual and formal situations. Number 1, how are you? This is the most common way to ask someone's condition. You can use it with anyone, teachers, friends, or even strangers. For example, how are you? I hope your day is going well. Number 2, how are you doing? A slightly more casual and friendly version of how are you. You usually use it with friends, classmates, or people you know well. For example, hey, how are you doing? Long time no see. Number 3, I'm good, thanks. A polite way to respond when someone asks about your well-being. This is commonly used in every conversation. For example, I'm good, thanks. I just finished my workout. Number 4, I'm fine, thank you. A slightly more formal response. People often use this in professional or respectful situations. Example, I'm fine, thank you, and you? Number 5, how about you? A polite way to return the question. It keeps the conversation going and shows interest in other person. For example, I'm good, how about you? Politeness plays an important role in communication. These phrases help you show gratitude, acknowledge kindness, and handle mistakes respectfully. Thank you. This is the most common way to express gratitude. You can use it in any situation, formal or informal. For example, thank you for helping me with my homework. Number 2, thanks a lot. A more enthusiastic and friendly way to show appreciation. Use it when you want to emphasize you really mean it. For example, thanks a lot for the ride. I really appreciate it. Number 3, you are welcome. The polite response when someone thanks you. It shows that you were happy to help. For example, you are welcome. Let me know if you need anything else. Number 4, excuse me. Used when you want to get someone's attention or when you need to pass through a crowd. It is also used before asking a question to sound polite. For example, excuse me, could you please tell me where the office is? Number 5. I'm sorry. Used to apologize for a mistake, inconvenience, or misunderstanding. It shows responsibility and respect. For example, I'm sorry for being late. The traffic was heavy. Don't be afraid to ask for clarification or assistance. These phrases help you ask for assistance politely and clearly. They are essential for all of us. Number 1. Can you help me? A simple and polite way to ask someone for assistance. You can use this in classrooms, offices, or daily life. For example, can you help me fill out this form? Number 2. I don't understand. Use this phrase when something is unclear. It's a direct and honest way to let the speaker know you need more explanation. For example, I'm sorry, I don't understand this sentence. Number 3. Can you repeat that? Useful when you didn't hear something clearly or missed part of the sentence. It helps you stay engaged in the conversation. For example, can you repeat that? There was some noise in the background. Number 4. Can you speak slower? A polite request, especially when someone is speaking too fast for you to follow. For example, can you speak slower? I'm still learning English. Number 5. What does dash mean? Use this when you hear a word or phrase you don't recognize. It helps expand your vocabulary naturally. For example, what does flexible mean? These phrases help you introduce yourself and share simple details when meeting someone for the first time. They are essential for starting conversations, making friends, building connection in both formal and informal situations. Number 1. My name is. This is a standard way to introduce yourself. You can use it in classrooms, interviews, or casual conversations. For example, my name is Ovi. I run an English learning YouTube channel. Number 2. What's your name? A polite question to learn someone else's name. It helps you continue the introduction smoothly. For example, what's your name? I didn't catch you earlier. Number 3. I am from dash. Used to tell someone where you live or where you were born. This is a common part of the introduction. For example, I am from West Bengal. Number 4. Where are you from? A natural question to learn about someone's background or hometown. For example, where are you from? Your accent sounds interesting. Number 5. Nice to meet you. A polite expression used after learning someone's name or starting a conversation with them. It helps create a friendly first impression. For example, nice to meet you. I hope we can talk again. When you are in a new place, like a school, a market, or a city, you often need help finding your way. These phrases help you ask for directions politely and understand where things are. They are useful for travelers, students, or anyone navigating an unfamiliar area. Number 1. Where is the bathroom? This is one of the most common and important questions when you are outside your home. You can use it in restaurants, mall, offices, or public places. For example, excuse me, where is the bathroom? Number 2. How do I get to? Use this when you need direction to a specific place. such as a shop, street, or building. For example, how do I get to the bus station? Number 3. Is it far? A simple way to check the distance. This helps you understand whether you should walk, take a bus, or look for another option. For example, is it far or can I walk there? Number 4. It's here. This phrase is used when the location is very close and exactly where the person is pointing. For example, oh, it's here, right next to the entrance. Number 5. It's over there. Used to show that a place is not too close but still visible or reachable. For example, it's over there near the red building. Whether you are a restaurant, cafe, or food stall, these phrases help you order politely and confidently. They are useful for beginners and also sound natural for everyday conversations when asking for food or drinks. Number 1. I would like dash. A polite and formal way to order something. It shows respect and sounds soft and professional. For example, I would like a sandwich and a cup of tea. Number 2. Can I have dash? A slightly more casual way to order, but still very polite. It's commonly used in cafes, canteens, or fast food places. For example, can I have a cold coffee, please? Number 3. A coffee, please? A short and simple way to order when you don't need extra detail. Adding please makes it polite. For example, a coffee please? Number 4. The bill please? Used when you are finished eating and want to pay. Essential for restaurants and cafes. For example, the bill please? We are ready to leave. Number 5. Thank you for the meal. A polite way to show appreciation after eating. You can say this to the staff or to someone who cooked for you. For example, thank you for the meal. Everything was delicious. Time and date expressions help you talk about schedules, plan, and daily activities. These phrases are useful in school, work, travel, and almost every conversation where you need to understand when something is happening. Number 1. What time is it? A basic question used to ask for the current time. You can use it anywhere, at school, at a bus stop, or while traveling. For example, excuse me, what time is it? I think I'm running late. Number 2. It's 1 o'clock. A simple way to tell the time. You can replace 1 o'clock with an hour or specific time. For example, it's 3 o'clock or it's 5:30. Number 3. What day is it today? Used when you want to know the day of the week. Very helpful for planning appointments or keeping track of dates. For example, what day is it today? I have a class tomorrow. Number 4. Today is dash. A natural way to respond after someone asks the day. For example, today is Friday. Number 5. Yesterday or tomorrow. These words help you talk about the day before today, that means yesterday, and the day after today, that means tomorrow. For example, yesterday was Sunday, or you can say tomorrow is my exam. When you go shopping, whether it's a supermarket, clothing store, or street market, you need simple, clear expression to ask prices, make choices, and complete your purchase. These phrases help you communicate politely and confidently. Number 1. How much is this? A common question used to ask the price of an item. You can use it anywhere from grocery stores to malls. For example, how much is this? I really like the color. Number 2. It's dash. A basic way for the shopkeeper to tell you the price. You can insert any amount. For example, it's 350 rupees or it's $10. Number 3. Can I pay by card? Useful when you are unsure whether the shop accepts card payments. For example, can I pay by card or is it cash only? Number 4. I will take this. Used when you decide to buy something. It is a clear and polite way to confirm your choice. For example, I will take this. Please pack it for me. Number 5. Do you have dash? A helpful question when you are looking for something specific. For example, do you have this in bigger size? Or you can ask, do you have it in black? These expressions help you talk about your personal preferences, what you enjoy and what you don't. They are useful in everyday conversations about food, movies, hobbies, places, and many other topics. Using these phrases make it easier for people to understand your tastes and options. Number 1. I like it. A simple way to say that you enjoy something. It's polite, positive, and it works both in casual and formal conversations. For example, I like it. This music is very relaxing. Number 2. I don't like it. Used when something is not your preference. It is a polite way to express dislikes without sounding rude. For example, I don't like it. The design feels too complicated. Number 3. I love it. A stronger and more enthusiastic expression than I like it. Use this when you feel very positive about something. For example, I love it. This is exactly what I was looking for. Number 4. I hate it. A very strong way to express dislike. Use this carefully, usually with these close friends or when you want to be very honest. For example, I hate it. The taste is too bitter for me. Number 5. It's good or bad. A simple way to give your opinion about something. You can use it for food, movies, decisions, or expressions. For example, it's good. I think you should try it. It's bad. The quality is not worth the price.